Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create hexagonal transitions for your edit in CapCut. So this one is pretty easy. So what you need to do is first add transition first. Click on the transition box and find the mix transition. Okay, this one, mix. Adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 0.5 seconds, and then go to the effect, video effects, and here click on the opening and closing and select the hexagonal spot and adjust it to your liking. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon and place it in between the clip like this and trim it how you like. And that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.